In this question, a level scaffold is to be supported at the center of a 12 feet ladder. Okay, so at the center, supported at the center is a really important word. The center would mean that this will be half of 12 feet, which is definitely 6, and this is also 6. Okay, and this is already given as 5 feet. So this, if this is 5, then this is also 5. If we just connect this vertical drop, this is also 5, and this is the angle theta. Okay, so we need to find x and theta. Where is x? X is this. So I'm going to mark some vertices so that it will be easy for us. A, B, C, D, E. So first off, in triangle A, B, E, tan of theta, or tan or sine, it will be sine, right? Because sine relates opposite and the hypotenuse, and we know opposite, which is 5, and the hypotenuse as well, which is 6. So we can easily get the value of theta from here, which is 5 over 6, and the sine inverse of this value is coming as 56.44 degrees up to 2 decimal places. That is the answer to one of the part. And now I'm going to look in another triangle, ACD. In any ACD, since we are interested in finding the value of x, so this length was x, and in ACD, AC is given to us, which is the hypotenuse. So again, but this time we are going to use cosine, because cosine will be adjacent, which is x, which is unknown, over hypotenuse, which is 12. So if we cross multiply, 12 cos theta will be x, which if we swap this equation, it will be 12 cosine of theta, where theta is 56.44 degrees. So let me just find the cosine of that and multiply this with 12 to get the answer as 6.63, and the unit is in feet. So this is the value of x. Thank you.